setting the edge trimmer blade on my edge trimmer, and need safety glasses, gloves. I'm going to be doing my little hand grinder here, the grinding blade on. There's a couple of sides to do, so one on this side, one on that side, and then there's two underneath. So when we do the top, we'll move the blades across, and then we'll flip it over and do the other side. I like to use a bit of silicone, I do, and I spray the back of the blades, front of the blades, and I even spray inside the sheath, just to protect it throughout the winter.